got my martini glass of a non-alcoholic martini, I'm sure. And so when I'm looking at this martini glass, I want to start light to dark. So let's put the yellow in there first just to get that in there. Actually going to use the light. So there's a yellow. I'm just going to put one lemon peel in there. It's always good to have more colors, so I think there's some orange. I think there's some orange in that. And I asked you all to bring the color image today. It's very hard to do this from a black and white image. You can, but... So there's my lemon peel. Even though this is going to be a red martini, I'm going to go with pink first. So I'm going to actually make this whole area of the martini glass, you know, and that might not be the greatest color. And that's one of the things, you're not going to get exactly the right color. You can get close, because you just don't have that many choices in marker. Okay, now look what putting that orange over this is the actual color. So putting that orange over the pink, I'm going to put that over the whole thing. That's much more the accurate color of this non-alcoholic martini. So here's the layering is what's key to marker. So here are the two different colors we have, and now the combination is a much better color, much more realistic. The purple is one of our darkest colors. Now I'm going to try blue. I'm going to use some, if I use purple, I'm afraid it's going to get too dark. So there's this shape. Again, I didn't draw this. So this shape is sort of a nebulous shape down the middle of this martini glass. Comes there, sort of a reflection. So you know, that just, my guess at it was not very good. That just doesn't look very good. So that ain't it. Let's try the purple. It might be too dark, but let's try. Let's try over here. There's some. Is that too dark? For this, that's a little too dark for that. It's not the end of the world. I could do it like that. That would be a different color. What if I try a little brown, and we'll put the color pencil in there later. What if this is a little brown there? This is not the most appetizing looking drink now. Brown martini. So there's that. I'm going to put a little of it back here. We will purple that up when we get a color pencil. Okay? So now, this down here is also a very sort of light red. I might leave that off, who knows. The rest of this is black and white. So it does have some grays. If you got the grays, I would put some grays in there. I'm going to use the grays just a little bit, put it in there. I'm going to put the reflection in the martini glass gray a little bit. And then because it's glass, as you can see there's some blue. So I'm going to put some blue up there. You could be done. Okay, I could stop there if I wanted to. Now, you can see I've used a ton of colors already. Yellow, orange, the pink, the orange again, the blue, the gray, a little bit of purple. So this really needs the mechanical line. You could come in with one of these mechanical pins and sort of do a little bit of the mechanical line to get this to look more interesting and actually look like a glass. You know what I might leave? I might just put the mechanical lines on this side and leave out the, you know what, I forgot to do the color pencil part. So I'm going to do some color pencil part in a minute. So just have a little bit of the mechanical line there. And let's do the mechanical line right here. I'm going to leave some of the mechanical line out. So one of the things I've left off is I don't have the reflection now. So now I need to get out the white colored pencil and put some reflection in. I'm going to use a white colored pencil. I'm going to use a little purple because we decided that we needed some purple. light blue. Here's the purple. So first I'm going to do Kelvin's purple. So let's put the purple in there. Is that working or not? Is that better? It's a little better. Not the greatest. Do you have a lighter purple? Not really. Let's try the light blue on there. So I could play around with this. You could do all kinds of stuff in here. I could fade in the blue of the glass. Fade that a little bit around. Put some blue down here in the glass, coloring over here. Then for this, to put in the light reflection, then that's when you come in with the white. Put in your reflection. It makes it look like glass. Also, I'm going to draw the line. I'm going to continue, there's my black line. I continue the white line around the edge. I'm going to do the line where the water meets, where the martini meets. And then actually, in the top of here, I'm going to color this. I'm going to tone this whole thing down. So you think you're looking through the glass there for that. I'm going to put another little reflection here at the bottom. So you can keep going as much as you want. Now, if you really want to go back to white, if you want to use your white out or some gouache paint and come back with white, you certainly can. I'm going to tone this down back here. Put a couple reflections down here in this gray part. So there's a martini glass. So a mechanical object is pretty easy.